How to change default launcher on any Android phone in just 2 minutes. So if you're tired of the home screen you're stuck with and want full control over how your phone looks and feels, this gives you a quick fix you can use right now. By the end of this, you'll know the hidden setting that lets you set any home screen you want without resetting your phone or losing your apps. First, make sure the launcher you want is already installed. A launcher controls your home screen layout, app drawer, and gestures. Once it's installed, open your phone's settings app. Scroll down and tap apps or applications. This is where Android hides the option most people never check. Inside apps, tap default apps. If you don't see it immediately, look for choose default apps or app defaults. From there, tap home app. You'll see a list of all installed launchers. Select the one you want and Android will instantly set it as your new default home screen. If your phone doesn't show a home app option, go back to the apps list, find your current launcher and tap it. Choose clear defaults. The next time you press the home button, Android will ask which launcher you want to use. Select your new launcher and choose always to lock it in. If the launcher switches back after setting it, restart your phone once. This helps Android save the new default properly, especially on phones with heavier system skins. Once you know this hidden path, changing the default launcher on any Android phone becomes fast and stress-free. You're no longer locked into the factory home screen, and you can switch launchers anytime in just a few taps.